We're getting really,
Show
really,
me,
really
show me.
close. We're
Show
getting
me the
so
stamens.
close. We're close.
Show me the stamens.
10. 9. Now what holds the seeds?
The sepal. Can I see the...
Where's the sepal? That middle part thingy?
Well, I think... Those are the anthers. Things hanging on.
I thought the anthers had the seeds in them, Mama. That's what I thought.
Yeah.
The anthers had the seeds in them.
And here is where the seeds would be.
Because I see, Mommy. You know what I've seen before? A tree, Mama. They had flowers. And these little things are the places. Let's see what treasures we may find. I might need to get a little bit more up here. Our flower, but you just never got a chance. Soon you will. Jeez, it's hard up here. Perfect. Whoa, perfect. I ripped part of the paper thing. No seeds?
You see any seeds?
I see like a little bit of yellow spots on there.
Well, you didn't cut into it. You try to cut it in half.
Okay, right there?
Yes, like up and down. Okay.
And there must be seeds. In here.
Anything?
I see the parts where the bees like. I found there's more than one of these.
What are those called?
A bunch of.
Definitely has a lot of anthers.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go put these in the. This is how this kid does science. Let's find it. I need to get it right under this, right in the middle of the circle. That I can see the whole thing. But if it's not on right under the circle, I will barely be able to see anything. Oop! I need a light.
You also need to start out with your lowest magnification. Which one is that? The short one.
Already? Why don't I see anything?
I don't know. I might need to look at it. Well, you have this turned. And you didn't have that. See, hear that noise? So it wasn't clipped in. You gotta make sure it's clipped in.
Nothing.
Okay, raise up the stage.
Okay, get up.
Keep your, do it a little bit and look in it. Do you see anything?
I see white, yellow stuff.
Okay. Can you get it in focus better by
Yep.
turning to the 40? Or no, wait, go to the 10 first. What's it look like now?
On the sides when I see it, it looks like a little bit of yellow.
Okay, try to get it in focus by adjusting the stage. Get it in as much focus as you can. Slowly. You don't want to crush the slide.
Okay, there we go. A bunch of yellow on one hand.
Is it in focus a little bit?
Yes,
Okay.
I can see yellowness.
You can see it well?
Yes, pretty
Okay.
much. I put it.
Can you see it well enough to draw it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
No, we're going to use the pencil first.
this is all I pretty much actually see.
Just yellow?
Yes, just pollen.
Just pollen.
Just
okay.
yellow. That's all I see anyways.
Okay.
See for yourself.
I will.
Anyway.
I will. Hang on.